Hi everybody, hello, I'm back again, and I'm back with another Miss Paint-A-Lot's pretty pink postage box. What can be inside it today? Well, let's lift the lid and have a look. Oh yes, you all recognise it now, I'm sure. So it's got one of our waterfall folios in it and other assorted goodies. So let's have a look at the waterfall folio first. Might as well leave that there actually, I've got nowhere else to put it. So it's got the very familiar string and button closure, and I've chosen a red button because it goes with this red tortoiseshell butterfly. I can't get into it. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? So there we are. And I've used text for this side because I really like the look of it. And then it opens up like that and like that. Lots of text. Or, as I choose to think of it, lots of opportunity for you to add stuff to, pretty it up, put pockets in, whatever. So it's got this gorgeous cascade down here. They're all covered in this lovely eyelet. I've used the bit that says Nature Notes of an Edwardian Lady, so there can be no doubt. And the first image is this lovely ox slip, which I love. On the facing pages, I've used this old, and it really is vintage, printer paper. Do you remember when printer paper used to come out with holes down each side? Well, it's that, and we got it from a lady who has had it since those times, and it was just looking for a good home. So I've given it a good home in an Edith journal, no less. So there we go, and so it goes on throughout the journal. I put that one there because I know Jen and Mike like their rusties, and actually we have these. They live around by us, and if you're very, very lucky, twice we've seen one. You can see them around. This one I love with the daffodils and the birdies. That's just gorgeous. We do have these around here as well, actually, gold crests. And there we are. We've got lots of space there for you to decorate up to your heart's content. I love the text. It's gorgeous. So that folds over, and that folds over, and it wraps up nicely. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. Well, the first thing really is that's Mr. F making his middle for diddles. Except that one might not be in the middle by the sound of it. So I've put you in some extra book pages because, you know, if you're not an Edith fan or you haven't got an Edith book, then how are you going to decorate this if you haven't got any Edith pages? So I've given you, I think, a fairly comprehensive kit so you can actually decorate it. So some of them are just text, but they're quite useful as well, you know. This one, the lovely violets. I love that page. I love all of it. You know, if you could make that into a fold out, wouldn't that be lovely? However, it's there for you to use as you wish. This page, gorgeous text on the back. This, which is the other page to the ox slip that's on the front of that one, that I thought you could use. Just gorgeous images. Images, text. Look at that. We have these little fellas out in our garden. And the lovely daffodils. And the bird's eggs. And then here, common gorse, which we have loads of. So it's just it's a mixture of beautiful Edith pages. I mean, look at that page. It's just, you decide where to cut that, because I don't think I could. And on the back you've got cracking text there, and you could fussy cut that peacock butterfly out. Lots that you can do with it. This is a page I go to first usually when I'm making a journal, because it splits into two, and you can have two lovely journaling cards or whatever out of that. These primroses here, beautiful. Is that a double page? No, is it? Yes, it is. Oh, look at that with the cowslip and the cuckoo flower. Yeah, nice text there as well. April, the bunny rabbit with the primroses, that's lovely. They're all very usable. And then these are just text, so you can, you know, you can back your journaling cards, or you can make pockets with whatever, you know, whatever you feel that you want to do. So that's that. What else do we have? Well, we've got these, or this at any rate. All right, we've got two postcards. This is the Missel Thrush, and this is the Summer Flowers one, I think it is, harebells and stuff. And they are actual postcards. If you wanted to, you could send them to someone. I wouldn't if I was you. And here's another postcard. There's a little tag that I made for you just to get you started. Just used a bit of violet there. It's just very plain. You don't have to use it. I just put it in just to get you started. This lovely little notebook. Now, I'm not suggesting that you put this in your book. You can if you want to, and do whatever you want. But it's a really nice little thing to shove in your handbag and just use. And it's got this image of the blue tits, my favourite, all the way through it. Every single page has got it. So if you wanted to make it into a journaling card or whatever, you certainly could. No problem doing that. Or you could just keep it as a really useful notebook. And it's got a magnet in, so it stays nice and shut, even in your bag. I've put in some of these resin roses, which you can colour. We established you could colour them with alcohol ink. I've put you in some flat back pearls, because I know some of you, Judy, won't think that a journal's complete without, especially an Edith one, without flat back pearls. So there's quite a bit there. There we are, there's that. I put some eyelets in for you because that's what I used in the cascade, so I thought you might want to carry it on. So there's a little bit of that there. There's some of the crochet edging, which goes really well with Edith. There's this, which is so pretty. It's an organza ribbon with roses on it. It's a really ultra pretty thing, and I thought maybe you'd like that. I thought it goes nicely with Edith. And then at the bottom we have this glassine bag, which you can also use in your journal, and it's got these flowers. There's a little leaf in there. These flowers that I have they're Tim Holtz wildflower Sizzix dies, and I cut them out and I painted them, and you can use them any way you see fit. I quite like them when they're like that in a bundle, and then you take some twine or something and tie a bow around the bottom, or some brown framers tape, something like that. The choice is yours. They're yours. Do what you want. Do as you wish. But they're quite pretty, and I think they should enhance your journal, so that they're there as well. And as I say, the glassine bag, the ribbons, the flat back pearls, the roses, the little tag, the postcards, the book pages, and the folio itself. So there we are. That's the Edith thing. I really hope that whoever gets this thoroughly enjoys putting it together. Maybe it will be your first time and you don't have any other Edith stuff. So there you go. There's some Edith stuff. Please, whoever gets it, please show us on the group what you've done with it. I'd love to see. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.